as the finance minister says, that it reflects the today's realities. Is it because of maybe COVID or maybe the kind of economic situation that we have seen for the last 2 years? Is it the repercussion? Yeah, I would like to ask you, maybe what is your view?
See, due to COVID and all, we have done a lot of things. As EPFO has been in forefront on this fight against Corona. We did whatever best we can in terms of providing timely assistance to working class as well as employers. And we, during that entire period, we were working also. So, to say, we introduced one new advance, which was called COVID advance. So, in the first phase, the COVID advance 1 was there. Then we have introduced another type of same kind of advance. Again, it was introduced. And during this period, what we have observed here in Goa, that most of the people, they try to withdraw their amount because of so and so needs. And situation was definitely very alarming. So last year, so was in this year also, in 2021, we had roughly around 30,000 claims were filed for COVID category, because advances in EPFO are in very different types. Say, for illness you can take an advance, for house building you can take an advance, for education of children you can take advance, for marriage, self and your dependents. All these types of advances are available for the subscribers.
Okay.
To add on to it, this new advance was introduced. Subsequently, a lot of people have withdrawn their entire accumulation also, because of they were not having enough employment. So in this year, total we can say, we have settled around 1,53,700 odd claims, were amounting to roughly around 625 crores was disbursed.
This is the Goa market that we are talking
This is Goa office.
Goa specific.
Out of this 625 crores, roughly around 63 crores were only advances, COVID advances. So situation worldwide, or to say at least in India or in Goa, the situation was alarming. People were withdrawing a lot of their accumulations were there. Plus, for employers also, we have initiated a scheme which was Atmanirbhar Bharat Yojana. Usme we have introduced a scheme wherever there was a new employment to say incentivize creation of new employment. This scheme was introduced for the benefit of employers. Wherever the employer has engaged less than 1,000 employees, in that case, entire 24% was being borne by central government. And for some smaller establishments, around 12% was being reimbursed by central government. Okay. That was the benefit given to the employer to keep engaging new employees, new generation of new employment. So EPFO in way kind of facilitated more and more employment generation. So whatever we can do for this period, we have done our best.